Thirikari yugite ni yarire mitaratara mianduku ya kuhurana na kuhukia ikundi cia maigirira iria ciragira muingi mawira nja ya bũrũri no muthia-ini wa uhoro mundu akaiyo mbeca ciake kana agatwarwo kuri andikani mari na unyamu nja ya bũrũri. Mwaria wa ministry ya maundu ma nja wa bũrũri niwe Isaiah Kabira niwe uheanite uhoro uyu kuria ningi ahinyiriirie muingi na mundu o wothe urenda guthie nja wa bũrũri wira ahuthire njira iria ibatie na ahuthire agent aria metikiritio ni thirikari niguo gwithema kuingirio waara na guikio ugwati-ini. Kabira aritie ari kaunti-ini ya Embu hindi ya monanio ma mieke ya mawira gitaro-ini kia Mount Kenya ya irathiro maria marathie na mbere kiharo-ini kia Moi kuria makiria ma ayuthi 300 mekinyitie.
Before you commit yourself to making a payment of any funds, try and establish that job exists for real. One of the simplest way to check whether a job exists is if you see somebody forwarding you an email pretending to be representing a government organization. If you see that the email address is a private email address, already that's a warning sign that that is fake. We know that there are job opportunities out there, and we're here to empower them through information. By guiding them to see what are the possible pathways of getting jobs out there. We are especially very happy that we also have a number of TVETs who are exhibiting so as to see how can we align the courses that we are teaching in our universities to the demand that is out there.
Sadia wira wina maratathi mega tondu wona wira utaina maratathi mega ugacoka kuthie nje ya bũrũri ucokwe na wandikage marũa kiugaga nuranyerirwo na kuria mabũrũri-ini manaje tondu athiro taina marũa na gucoka gakorwa aibu kana nthoni. And to our agencies makore makiroreria through nia tondu nia nibataga kumenya agency iria cia magendo na iria itai cia magendo nigetha yuthi yetu matikanyerirwo na njira ya kubewa mbia ni aciari icoke ciurire woguo na njira ya kuthie through the agency iria itaimbitikirie kana itara qualify.